Hello, welcome everyone. So this is a quick video to share with you what we've put together with the TSI indicator. What does it do, and how does it blend with our Algo17 product? What the screen that you see is our live trading room, and as you can tell, we have multiple markets up. The E-mini S&P 5 and 15, the spiders. The only reason we have the spider here is for the looking at cash market signals, as well as the volume on the cash market SPY and the advanced decline. Over here we have the SPY 60-minute for swing trade, SPXL for position trading. We have the VIX 60-minute for swing trading, and we have the VIX 120-minute for confirmation of higher time frame signals. Next, we have crude oil, we have the British pound, and gold. We added the British pound on or about July 15th. One of the reasons we added the British pound and got rid of the euro currency was mainly because we were looking at a commitment of traders report which reflected that small speculators were unruly and unduly and way overboard on a short position, and we were looking for a bounce. In fact, in the live trading room, we even commented that their strong support existed at around 124.30 to 123.70. And if we go back in time, you'll see that we had an overnight low after I posted that comment at around 124.15. So it came right into that support zone. After it hit that support, that's when we created this strategy. Now, what is this strategy? What is it that you see on your board? First, the Algo Optimizer is generating buy signals and sell signals. But what the color charts represent is a 5-minute, and if we go over here to format symbol, this is the 5-minute with an overlay 60-minute. If you want to change this anchor time frame, which is considered the higher time frame, simply go to format your symbol and then change the minute of what you want. So if we wanted that 15-minute or daily, then when the 5-minute is in buy mode with the daily or the 60-minute, when both time frames are in sync, the candles turn blue. So we're looking for a reversal pattern. When this does not generate buy signals, it just highlights several things. The last conditional change of the short-term 5-minute, which would be these fuchsia color dots, as well as the 60-minute last conditional change, which would be these green dots. So if you're bullish the market, you want to take buy signals with confirming volume. When the things turn bright blue, great. If it breaks the 5-minute last conditional change, get out of the trade. If you have the Algo Optimizer and you get buy signals, now it took a couple trades, went short today, and that would not have been a great short, but it was a short. It went long, got quickly stopped out, and then it went long again, and look what it did. Took half the profit. It's still actually in a trade because the Algo17 will get out on the Globex close, or it will stop out. But either way, a big trade. Now, I only have this programmed in our strategies, and I'll format this for you on Algo version 17, version 2. If you look over here, this only trades, look at that, start time is 7 a.m., but we added almost 2 hours, so it's 8:55, which is, this an hour and 20 minutes is 2 hours, so hour and 15 minutes, add to start time, it picks up trades starting at 8:55 Eastern Standard Time. Next, end time, it doesn't take any more trades after 2:25, but it does exit at the end of the day. Now, that's not a new function on version 2 or Algo17. It's an old function, but it allows us to be able to optimize, subtract minutes from end time. If you hit optimize, add 0 to 90, 5-minute jump rate increments. If I hit OK and I optimize that, it's going to run a test and find out the best stop time for trading the British pound. We just identified that the market could see a spike rally. It did in a big way, which is really nice. And if we change and go over and introduce you to our main page real quick, just take a look at the British pound. We'll go to futures, go to British pound, and here you see how the daily charts kind of look. I mean, big time trend. It held right at monthly support on top of it. Relative strength was looking better. Our volume indicator illustrated a strong bullish convergence at that low, which is why we posted this in the trading room, number one. Number two, why we set up an algo strategy on the British pound. I hope you enjoyed this. This just illustrates how we utilize technical analysis and the John Person methodology, and why these technical tools are just so important and amazing for any trader to add. You'll get a better understanding of trading in a higher, lower time frame sync in the market. And so when you have your system fire off along, you can say, yeah, I think I want to join that trade. And so therefore you can participate in the move. Lastly, let's take a look at gold. Note gold, it was in a downtrend. Volume was upticking here. It generated a buy. It trailed the stop, got out of half, got out of the full position, and then market went sideways and it re-entered a long position in the afternoon session and caught the entire ride up until it maxed its trade out. So this is another example of using the new TSI indicator that overlays two different time frames with the PPS indicator as well as the last conditional change. When you use that and you have your algo optimizer, you'll probably see better trades that you can now want to join those trades rather than skip those trades. It's a better visualization to give you confirmation on your trade strategies. Thank you for watching.